In Borderlands 3, Zane the Operative is a versatile character capable of adapting to various playstyles. So whether you prefer agile, gunplay-focused approach, or a more strategic, gadget-heavy one, the best builds for Zane revolves around maximizing his ability to control battlefield with its two unique action skills, okay, which are the Digi-Clone and the SNTNL drone. A strong choice is to focus on the Digi-Clone skill, which creates a decoy that distracts enemies while also dealing damage. Enhancing this skill through his skill tree grants both survivability and high damage output. For optimal performance, you should invest heavily in Hitman tree to increase Zane's gun damage and critical hit potential. So perks like This Is My Boomstick boost shotgun damage, making this build especially effective for close quarter combat. For survivability and utility, the undercover skill tree provides access to the barrier, which reduces incoming damage and basically boosts your shield capacity. Combining this with skill mods that regenerate health or shield over time can make you nearly indestructible.